Forces and its types. What is force? A push or pull on an object is known as force. Its types are contact forces and non-contact forces. Contact forces are those forces which can be applied only when it is in contact with an object. Types are muscular force, friction. What is muscular force? The force resulting due to action of muscles. Friction. The force responsible for changing the state of motion of objects is known as friction. Non-contact forces are those forces acts without any contact. Types are magnetic force, electrostatic force, and gravitational forces. Magnetic force are those forces which are exerted by magnet. Electrostatic forces are those forces which are exerted by charged body on another charged body or uncharged body. Gravitational force. Every object in the universe, whether small or large, exerts a force on every other object. That is known as gravitational force. Thanks for watching.